Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, March 10th, 2025, we're analyzing USDJPY. We'll be looking at the news and the charts, so buckle up. Recent headlines indicate a tug-of-war between the yen and the dollar. Japanese yen bulls are retaining control amid bets for more BOJ rate hikes. Simultaneously, the US dollar has fallen to a 4-month low on economic growth concerns, impacting the USDJPY pair. Let's start by looking at the daily chart to see how these events are manifesting. The daily chart shows a general downtrend over the past several months. We saw a peak around October/November of 2023, followed by a volatile decline. Most recently, it appears the downtrend is reasserting itself. Let's narrow in on the more recent price action from the start of 2025. It is important to understand the BOJ is moving very slowly and with small magnitude when it comes to raising rates, to be sure not to upset the markets. Here, we see the choppy price action continuing. We have been in a downtrend since the start of 2025. If we look at the most recent days, we see a bit of consolidation around the 147.5 level, forming a support. Looking at the news, the expectation of continued rate hikes will continue to pressure this support. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at this recent price action and potential trading opportunities. The 1-hour chart helps clarify the price action since the start of March. We see a recent test of the 148 level, followed by a rejection and further downward movement. This rejection provides added confidence that is a resistance level to watch out for. The technical indicators, while not shown on screen, are approaching oversold territory, which means the price is likely to consolidate for the near future. However, any positive news or reports about the Bank of Japan's rate hike prospects are likely to further break the support around 147.5 and head towards new recent lows of 146.5. Let's analyze the 15-minute chart to see the local price action in super high resolution. On the 15-minute chart, we see an even more granular picture of the choppy, but overall downward, trend. You can see multiple attempts to break to the upside being met by resistance and followed by downward movement. The market seems to be looking for a decisive signal, whether it's from the BOJ or the Fed. In summary, USDJPY is currently exhibiting bearish signals based on both news and technicals. Key levels to watch are the 147.5 support and 148 resistance. If we see further BOJ tightening signals, expect a break below 147.5, potentially heading towards 146.5. However, keep an eye on oversold indicators which could cause a temporary upward bounce. Conversely, a shift in Fed policy or a dovish tone from the BOJ could provide upward momentum, testing the resistance around 148. For now, be prepared for continued volatility and trade cautiously.